Okay, I am 2 student. Today we will be working on a worksheet called Review of Equation, Day 1. Right. Solve each equation. So in order for us to solve an equation, we need to move all the terms with the variable on one side and all the constant term on the other side. So for our example 1, we have this 3n plus 4n, so we need to combine like terms. So this gives us 7n equal to negative 14. And to solve for n, we need to divide both sides by a 7. So 7 divided by 7 is a 1, so we have 1n equal to negative 14 divided by 7 gives us a negative 2. Right? And we can check our work. So we said 3 times negative 2 plus 4 times a negative 2. So this gives us a negative 6 plus a negative 8 and give us a negative 14. So which is the same as that. Right, okay, let's go on to our next example. So here we have the expression on the left and a constant term on the right. So on the left, first we need to distribute the 5 into the parentheses. So we have a negative 6. 5 times negative 1 is a negative 5. And 5 times negative b is a negative 5b equal to 19. And then now we need to combine like terms. So this gives us a negative 11 minus 5b equal to 19. And to solve for b, so we're going to add 11 to both sides of our equation. So this reduces to 0. So negative 5b equal to 19 plus 11 gives us 30. And to solve for b, we can divide both sides by a negative 5. So that reduces to 1, and this gives us b equal to positive 30 divided by negative 5 gives us a negative 6. Okay, let's go on to our next example. So here we have the constant term on the left and the variable terms on the right. So similar to the previous example, we need to distribute the 6 into every term. So we have a 73 equal to negative 6k, and negative 6 times negative 7 is a positive 42. And similar, we need to distribute the 16, so then positive 6k, and this gives us a positive 30. Okay, so then 6k and positive 6k become a 0, so we have a 73 equal to 42 plus 30, so which is 72. So this is a false statement. Right, then it's a false statement because 73 cannot equal to 72, so then we say that we have no solution for this equation. Let's go on to number 13. So now we have the variables on both sides, so which means that first we need to combine the expression on the left. So we have 6x minus 2x to give us 4x plus 8 equal to x plus 5. And then now we need to move all the variables to one side and all the constant term to the other side. So let's say we want to move a negative x from the right over to the left, and we want to move the 8 to the right, so then we're going to minus 8 minus 8. And then now we can combine like terms. So this gives us, so 4x minus 1x gives us a 3x. A minus 8 is a 0, so we can cross that out. X minus x is a 0, we can cross that out. And positive 5, negative 8 would give us a negative 3. Solve for it, so then x equal to negative 1. Okay, so that's the end of our day 1 lesson.